Hi friends, today we are with the new Asus VivoBook and this is the 14-inch laptop. In this video we are going to talk about each and everything including the ports, display, performance, hardware, software and also the benchmark score what this laptop is offering. First of all, what we got is the quiet blue color. The other color available for this laptop is cool silver and this comes with a plastic body. In the bottom you can see the speakers are present and the fan is also present in the bottom. The laptop weighs for 1.46 kg and it is 1.79 centimeter thin, so it is very light in weight and easy to carry, so it is definitely portable. It comes with a 65-watt fast charger which gives 60% charging in only 49 minutes. It comes with the Type-C charging port and a 3-pin charger. The cable is definitely long enough for charging and you will also get a charging indicator. When it is currently charging, you can see it is in orange light, and when it is completely charged it will turn into white light. And also another white light indicator is beside that, which is basically for the hard disk, so don't get confused. One is for the hard disk and one is for the AC charging. Here you can see properly the left side indicator, orange one, is basically for charging your laptop, and the white light what you are seeing right now is for the hard disk. Let's talk about the port. You are getting two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port and two Type A ports of USB 3.2, which is one present this side, another is on the other side. You are also getting an audio combo jack with a HDMI 1.4 present in this laptop. Currently we are charging, so you can see that one charging port is occupied, which is basically USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, and another Type C port is free, which you can use later on. It can be used for using the hard disk or any other purpose. You are also getting a full HDMI 1.4 port present in this laptop. There is an audio combo jack, and we are also getting a 180-degree hinge where you can see the laptop is completely flat and you can put down like that. Don't try to overbend or it will break. Coming to the display, there are two options for the display. One is 14-inch and the another model is 16-inch. We got the 14-inch for review. It comes with the 1920 into 1200 IPS panel, which is pixels, and it comes with the 16:10 aspect ratio. It has a 60 Hz of refresh rate. You are getting a camera which is a AI camera with integrated IR. It also is compatible with Windows Studio Effects. It gives you a physical privacy button in the camera, which is a great thing. And you will get 300 nits of brightness, 45% of anti-SC, and it also comes with TUV Ryland certified for low blue light. The laptop comes with the 87% screen to body ratio. It is the three-sided Nano Edge design. The maximum video resolution what you can play back in YouTube is limited up to 4K. So if you are trying to play a 8K video, it will come directly to 4K maximum, which you can play in this laptop. The laptop comes with the military standard 810H, which gives you reliability and stability. The laptop comes with the fully functional keyboard. It doesn't have any numpad, but on the top you are getting the functional keys, which are basically for volume up and down. You can mute, you can increase or decrease brightness. Here you can also increase or decrease brightness of the keyboard, which is a great thing. There is a backlit present in the keyboard. You can switch the display, then you will get the emoji key, which is a good thing. So if you are typing something or doing a chat, it is quite useful at that time. It also has a GIF support. GIF support is also present, and you can directly search from internet and post those GIF. It also has a microphone on and off. Then another one is directional recording mode on or off. Then touchpad on or off, there is an option to do that also. Then there is My Asus, which we will discuss later on. Then there is a print screen, then there is power button, and there is delete button. So these are the top key. You are getting a Copilot dedicated key in this laptop. Also in this you are getting a 30% larger touchpad. You can also change the video timeline control on the edges on the top, and you can increase or decrease the brightness and volume. So here you can see I am just changing the brightness just by scrolling on the touchpad, which is a great thing. From here you can see the volume up down can be also done. So these are the features what you are getting. Even you are getting a screen expert control center. Overall the touchpad is definitely 30% larger what the company is claiming. It comes with a 1.7 mm key travel, subtle 0.2 mm disc shaped keys with 19.05 mm pitch. Typing is definitely fun in this laptop. I have used on regular. For office work or for entertainment, definitely it is a thumbs up with the price point, which we will talk later on. Let's talk on the hardware and the software. The laptop comes with the Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, which is clocked at 1.7 GHz. It is based on Intel Arrow Lake architecture. You are also getting a dedicated Intel AI NPU chip, which is up to 13, and a GPU, which is Intel graphics present in this laptop. The RAM we are getting is a 16 GB RAM, which is a 5600 MHz DDR5. You can expand up to 32 GB. You have a SDR on the display, which I forgot to mention you earlier. We are getting a storage of 512 GB, which is a PCIe 4.0 NVMe M2 SSD, which is present in this laptop. As far as the connectivity is concerned, it comes with the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth version 5.2 present in the laptop. We are getting direct sound and Sonic Master present in this laptop for better audio quality. You will not get dynamic lighting, so that is definitely absent. It is clocked at 60 Hz refresh rate. You are not getting a 90 Hz refresh rate in this laptop. Talking about the camera, we are still not sure it a full HD or SD camera. It is not sure it is 1080p camera or 720p camera. We just know that it is an AI camera with integrated IR present, and it is running on Windows 11 Home. Few more software which are present are Screen Expert, GlideX, MyAsus. MyAsus is basically present in all the Asus laptop. It gives you a complete control on the hardware and also on the software. The hardware, because it will give you the BIOS update or the driver update, it also lets you to change the battery care mode. There are few more things, even the fan profile you can change through that only. Hibernate helper. There is memory allocated to GPU. Maximum you can go to 8 GB, and there is also an option of automatic. But whenever you change this memory allocated GPU, you have to reboot it. Then there is AI noise cancellation microphone, AI noise cancellation speaker. Then there is sound modes. If you are using for music, game, movie, voice, you can change that too. There is volume booster, which I definitely recommend you to switch it on for getting a better audio quality. Then there is a Splendid. This is basically for the display. You have 4 options in that. Then there is True to Life. Then there is Task First. Wi-Fi Smart Control is also present. It will switch automatically to the better Wi-Fi connection. Then there is a touchpad control. Smart gestures I have shown you already. Then there is function keys, and there is also keyboard backlit sleep mode 2, which is present. So these are all the settings which you are getting. You can also do the system diagnostic for the laptop. If any system update is available, you can check that too from MyAsus only. And if there is any deal, you will get the notification from this. So this app is completely useful for each and everything. I definitely recommend you guys to go and check this out. It will also tell you the battery percentage, CPU load with the temperature, memory allocation also, and the hard disk. Now let's talk about the camera. So the camera is here. We are getting a Windows Hello option. So it will unlock your laptop too. Here I have just shown you, given a demo how it unlocks. It unlocks very fast. Now talking about the Windows Studio effects which is present in this laptop, it takes the full advantage from Asus AI camera, and it is also having enabled AI technology in this. It activates the background effect, eye contact, automatic framing using the Windows taskbar or via the camera settings. This will do few more things like 3D noise reduction technology, which is a new Asus VivoBook feature, which is the innovative 3D noise reduction technology which eliminates the random noise present in the natural effects of any camera during the low light scenario, and even the AI noise cancelling for removing the background noise is also present. So I have tried all the camera features and I will definitely recommend you guys to try those features out. And if you switch off the physical camera, the camera switch will be off and you can't use that, and it will also show that your camera is switched off currently. These are the different benchmark scores what we have done using this laptop. You can pause the video and check all the benchmark scores what we got for the laptop. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask us in the comment section for those things also. The laptop comes with a few major changes which includes display. There is option of 14 and 16 inch. Then there is an RAM option which is a 16 GB or 32 GB. There is no storage variant option present. It is coming in white blue or cool silver. We got the white blue for review, and the laptop which we used is priced for 69,990. So this is all about the Asus VivoBook 14. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.